One of the coolest things of having been involved in this industry for the last 10 years is I have customers that send me their awesome pics of their recipes. Here is one from a customer in Texas, and he has invented his own recipes. They are amazing blends of sugarcane juice, different fruits, different jellies, blended with ice, blended with coconut milk, blended with coconut meat, all kinds of things, even oatmeal, and putting anything you can imagine healthy into a sugarcane drink to make it an amazing flavor mixed with vibrant health. So try out the Sugarcane Juice Recipes page here on the Facebook, okay? You can join the group, all right? If you're new to this group, check it out. There's so many recipes that are coming, and it's an open forum group. So I encourage all of you to share in the Sugarcane Recipes group here, and we can all learn together and help each other to invent the best concoctions in the world. Because why let Coke and Pepsi win? They don't deserve it, friends. We are the ones bringing the health to the world. Natural, healthy, occurring sugar is what our bodies were made for. This is what we were made to enjoy, friends. Sugar is not the enemy if it is natural, occurring, and you take it in a moderate level. Okay, let's enjoy the sweetness. We wouldn't have been born with a sweet part of our tongue that could enjoy sweetness if we weren't made to enjoy something sweet, all right? This is why nature's sweetgrass, sugarcane, offers us this incredible healthy sweetness, live enzymes with lots of health benefits. And when we mix it with other things that are healthy, what happens? We get healthy. Check it out, the Sugarcane Juice Recipes group on Facebook.